All new 911 models feature fully redeveloped engines with direct fuel injection, DFI. This differs from standard fuel injection in that the air-fuel mixture formation takes place entirely within the combustion chamber. Here, the fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber with millisecond precision via electromagnetically operated injection valves. The injection spray and cone angles are adjusted for optimum mixture formation and combustion. The result is improved performance, higher torque, reduced fuel consumption, and lower emissions. The new 911 models thereby comply with both the EU 5 emission standard in Europe and LEV 2 regulations in the USA, proving that even high-performance sports cars can attain modest emission levels.